I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel, and today I'm going to do a very self-obsessive video where I'm going to tell you about 10 bookish facts about me. Now I wanted to make this video so that you guys can know more about me, and I am assuming that you guys love these kind of videos. If you do comment down below and hit a thumbs up already. And let's not delay this further and let's get started with this video. At the same time, there's a giveaway at the end. It is not like the giveaway, but you will know if you keep watching it till the end what it is. So keep watching it till the end. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. My most cherished and wanted fantasy is to be able to read books and talk about books for my entire life, and of course have enough money to sustain while I do that. Number 2. Nothing at present gives me more happiness than making booktube videos. Number 3. I hate the books that seem like the author didn't care to read it again before getting it published. AKA, I hate bad books which scream laziness and lack of hard work. Number 4. When I was in school, I used to write several plot lines and I used to think that I would write full-fledged books out of them someday, but that never happened. It's not happening currently. Number 5. My reading experience is very much influenced by the quality of the paperback copy or the hardback copy. Number 6. My reading speed is directly proportional to my affinity towards the book in terms of mood. If I'm in the mood to read this book and if it's good, I'll just fly through it. Number 7. I don't feel ashamed of leaving books midway. I do plan to read them someday, and I totally support DNF ink books, that is, did not finish reading it. It's perfectly fine. Number 8. I love buying books. I have much more books than I can read, but I still keep buying them. But at the same time, if you're an author watching, I do not appreciate free copies unless your book is really, really good. Number 9. I love to read different kind of books. This is the reason why I do not have any favorite genre, or I do not have any favorite author or any favorite book, not like the real favorite, like something I would kill somebody for. Number 10. As much as I love reading books, I also love talking about books, which is precisely why I do book reviews or I even make booktube videos. So yes guys, those were the 10 bookish facts about me, and I really admire the connection we guys have with one another, and I really would like you guys to at least give me 2 bookish facts about you, or if you can give 10, I'll really love that. But I really want to know, because it doesn't make sense for me to booktube videos if I do not have a personal connection with you guys. So I want to know bookish facts about you. Comment down below right now. Anyway, I told you there is going to be something different in this video. I am going to do a giveaway. Now, it's not actually a giveaway. There would be giveaways. I am finally announcing them very soon. Like after every review, I'll try to give away the book which I read if it's good. But then you have to keep watching those videos to know when the giveaways are on, because you would not find them in the title, okay? But this one is not really a giveaway, because the thing is, I have all these books behind me and these are in my Delhi house, and I do not really want to carry these books to my house. So I am giving away all the books which I have read and I do not want to read it again. In every single video, I'll try to pick up one book which I just want to give away to somebody because I do not want it anymore. So this time I'm giving away World's Best Worst Boyfriend by Durjoy Datta. Now please listen to this. This is the book which I have already read, so it's not a new copy, it's a used book. If you are okay with that, you can enter this sort of giveaway where you just have to comment down below that you want to enter for it, and you have to go to social media, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, and tag 5 of your friends and tell them about my channel. Also, don't forget to tag me as well, because otherwise I would not know. Also, when you're commenting on the YouTube, do mention your social media handles so that I can just recognize you, because all of you guys have really creative Instagram, Twitter and Facebook handles, and it just confuses me sometimes. So please comment down below with whether you want to enter the giveaway and all your social media handles. And on your other social media handles, you just have to tag 5 of your friends, tell them about my channel. Anything you want to tell them, you just think about it. I am going to make a conscious effort to not give away the books that I hate, because I think those books should be burned. But this is a book which I really like. I liked it. I didn't love it, but I give it 3 out of 5 stars or 3.5 out of 5 stars. And I know a lot of you love Durjoy Datta, so I thought, why not start it with this one? So if you want it, do enter the giveaway. Thank you so much. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it like was fun to watch. If it was, to comment down below. I really want to know your like what you guys think about my channel. Even if it's like something very nasty, something very bad, articulate it in a good manner and comment down below, okay? Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. This is Manvi signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.